fellow pickers. I am very excited this evening because this is the first time back to the curb in 3 weeks because of the holidays. And I have had like a weird kind of day. Like just things annoying me or whatever, and I don't know. People on eBay, telling me my new thing wasn't new. Getting returns on Amazon for item not described when it's their listing and it's like a $15 bra or a $10 pair of tights. So I really want to blow off some steam by finding some junk at the curb and going through people's garbage. Do I need more stuff? No. My garage is full. I have inventory galore. Don't need another damn thing. And yet I'm out here and I'm gonna look. So let's see if we find anything. Okay, first pickup of the night. I had one of these when I was a kid because I'm old. He's called the Wonder Horse. And you bounced on it without a helmet and without padding underneath. Panasonic DVD player with the remote and the manual. Okay. Probably not worth much, but I can at least donate it. JVC boombox. I will take that too. Not a lot is saleable so far. Those might not be worth anything other than donation. But I am seeing metal tonight, so if worse comes to worse, I will drop the horse at home and swing around and take some metal, considering scrap prices are very good right now. Might as well, so let's see what else we find. Crappy glassware. VHS tapes. Bummer. Darn it. Thought it was books. I sold books on Amazon. So I didn't dump off. I dropped off the rocking horse thingy at my house. And as you can hear from the rattling in the background, I've been picking up scrap metal instead. Well, not instead. I will pick up anything I can find, but after going through 1/3 of the neighborhood and only finding one thing for resale, sorry about that, about the noise. After only finding one thing for resale, I decided to start picking up scrap metal as well. So I'm only picking up, I only have the van, I don't have a truck or anything. So I'm only picking up what is fairly heavy and what is small enough to fit in my van. I have already left some kind of, airy, what does Paul call it? He calls it helium steel, right? So I've left some of that behind, and I'm just trying to grab some heavier stuff so I can dump it all off at the scrapyard tomorrow and make the most amount of money out of my tiny little van. So I'm about 2/3 done now. A lot of couches tonight. Whoops, gotta put my signal on. It's hard to do videos and drive on a main road at the same time. So I lost my train of thought, so I'll just stop talking. Oh, shoot. I do this a lot. I see piles like out of the corner of my eye, and like I've already passed them, and then I have to back up. So I lost my train of thought. I'm just collecting as much scrap metal as I can find. I found a bag of books. Don't hit the car. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's just a rug. A rug and strollers and a kid's golf bag without golf clubs in it. So I'm just getting scrap metal, and I'll see what else we can find. And just like that, it's the next day. We have ourselves a load here of scrap. The bicycle in the back is not scrap. That's I'm going to try to sell that locally. And when I got home last night, my back was hurting a little bit. So let's see if this experiment even pays off in any kind of cash. Off to the scrapyard. So 320 pounds, 60 cents a pound for $19.20. He rounded me up to a nice round, even $20 bill. Was it worth it? I don't know. It seems like a lot of work for $20. I guess it'll depend on what I find on the curb. There are a few houses who put out like heavy car parts and whatnot, so if there's nothing else, maybe I'll do scrap. Without a bigger truck though, I don't know if I would do this regularly. I passed up a lot of stuff, washers, dryers and such, because there's no way I'm getting that in the van by myself. Hot water heater. It's just me, and I'm old, so yeah, so $20, not bad. I'm going to go get myself a bagel, and we'll see what happens next time on the curb. I guess we're going to have to play it by ear. So I hope you get out there and pick up people's trash and make money. See you on the next one.